Imagine waking up to find you've made money while you were asleep. Sounds impossible? It's not. In today's video, we'll explore 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn consistently, even when you're not working. Before we start, let's understand what passive income really is. It's money that keeps flowing and even when you stop working, like digital assets, investments, or online systems doing the work for you. First, dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, they reward you with a portion of their profits, just for owning their shares. Think of it as your money working for you every quarter. Real estate is one of the oldest forms of passive income. Buy a property, rent it out, and let your tenants pay off your investment. Over time, both your income and property value grow. If you have skills, teach them. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create online courses once and earn forever. One video course can pay you for years. Ebooks are another way to earn passively. Write about something you know, finance, fitness, or motivation, and sell it online. Each sale adds up without extra effort. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by recommending products you trust. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple, scalable, and powerful. Yes, YouTube itself can be a source of passive income. Once you create valuable content, your videos can earn ad revenue and affiliate income for years, even while you sleep. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses online and earn interest in return. It's like being your own bank with steady monthly income. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating systems that work while you rest, so your time becomes your most valuable asset. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and let me know in the comments which passive income idea you'll start with today. This is Wealth Whisper, helping you build wealth and freedom one video at a time.